What can you expect in your first class? Most adult beginner ballet classes last 60 to 90 minutes and include bar work, center work, and sometimes a little bit of stretching. Class usually begins at the bar. Those long bars that are attached to the walls are set up freestanding in the middle of the studio. When you arrive, you may notice students already standing at certain spots at the bar. Ballet dancers can get surprisingly attached to their bar locations. So if you're unsure where to stand, just ask. Adult ballet students are generally incredibly welcoming, and someone will be happy to help you find a spot. In a 90-minute beginner class, I often spend about an hour at the bar when I'm teaching. This allows time to go over fundamental steps, explain the technique, and apply corrections. Other teachers may split the class more evenly between bar and center. It will vary depending on the class. The teacher will demonstrate each exercise, explain it, give counts, and then play the music while students try it on their own. In very beginner-heavy classes, I often do the combinations along with my students so they can follow me visually. But ideally, the teacher will be able to stand back and watch the class do the combinations so that then they can help provide some corrections. Corrections are a normal and essential part of ballet training. Being corrected does not mean you're doing poorly. It just means the teacher is invested in helping you improve. From my years of teaching adult classes, I've learned that some adults want lots of corrections and others want fewer. A good teacher will find a balance, but keep in mind that corrections are how progress happens, and the amount of personalized attention you get in class will vary depending on the class size as well as the teacher's style of teaching and leading a class. If you ever want more individualized attention, I would suggest asking your teacher about private ballet lessons. So after bar, there's usually a short break, time to grab some water, stretch, or reset before you move into center work. Center work repeats many bar concepts and adds elements like turns, jumps, and traveling steps across the floor. Depending on the size of the class, you might do all of the exercises together in one group, or if the class is very large, the teacher might split you up into two groups so that everyone has enough space to move around. Either way, it's unlikely you will ever be asked to do anything completely by yourself unless the class is extremely small.